Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Joy Marish I. Mariano. You can call me Marish and make a wish. Today, I want to talk about a topic that is dear to me. Can you guess what is it? Correct. The changing role of teachers in the 21st century. But first, thank you for joining me today. We all know that education is a fundamental pillar of society, and teachers play a crucial role in shaping the minds of future generations. So, let's embark this journey together. A journey that transcends the four walls of this classroom, a journey that redefines the traditional chalk and talk methods, a journey that takes us into the heart of 21st century. Stay tuned as we unravel the role of teachers in the 21st century. Let us start by acknowledging the invaluable role that teachers have played throughout the history. They have been the guiding lights, imparting knowledge, and nurturing young minds. Teachers were seen as the primary source of information, standing in front of the classroom, delivering lectures, and assessing student understanding. However, as we move further into this topic, this role is evolving. The 21st century has brought about a paradigm shift in education. Traditional teaching methods are no longer sufficient to prepare students for the challenges and opportunities. Teachers must adapt this changing rule and landscape and embrace new roles and responsibilities. In an era of fake news, viral misinformation, media literacy is of utmost importance. Teachers must empower students to analyze media messages, understand biases, and to protect and to develop a critical eye towards media content. Also encompasses the ability to critically analyze and evaluate information and to protect one's digital identity. By doing so, students become participants in shaping their own narratives. By incorporating 21st century into their teaching practices, teachers can make learning more engaging and relevant for students. Teachers can make more learning engaging and relevant for students. Encourage students to analyze media messages and to solve complex problems. Teachers who integrate these literacies into their teaching becomes a participant in shaping to become an independent thinkers and problem solvers. By equipping with the student to this digital, social, multicultural, and fostering innovation and creativity, teachers become catalysts for transformative education. Let us embrace this changing landscape and empower our students to become a lifelong learners and active contributors. Change is not always easy, but it is often necessary for growth and progress. Embrace it and see where it takes you. And always remember, change is hard at first, messy in the middle, and gorgeous at the end. Repeat, change is hard at first, messy in the middle, and gorgeous at the end. Again, Joy Marish I. Mariano.